Good morning. Well, today's project is something that's going to help me get a little room. As you can see, that is a big, heavy bumper off 1959 Cadillac. And yeah, it needs some restoration. As you can see, this thing's got some heavy surface rust on the inside. You have to get all that cleaned up and POR it. This bumper takes up an extreme amount of room inside my shop. And yeah, today's the day. Going to totally disassemble it. I've got a few things I'm going to have to repair and do a little bit of metal work. This piece here is kind of been out of shape and rotted a little bit, but I'm going to be able to save it. And it does have a lot of little surface rust and pitting from sitting inside. I've put a little bit of chrome polish on it, but I think I should be able to buff that out a little bit. And I don't really know what I'm going to do to stop that from continuing to rust, but I think if I just keep it cleaned and polished, it should do the trick. I'm not looking forward to doing this. I actually restored a 1962 Cadillac bumper, if you saw some of my other videos, that was going to go on the car. That thing was a week-long process. I'm hoping this will be just a couple of days and take everything apart. I'm not looking forward to the little bullets on the grill because each and every single one comes out and I have to polish every single one. Might go get a buffing wheel for my my tabletop wire wheel, so it goes a little faster. But yes, totally disassemble the bumper, completely clean it up. I guess the real question is when I go in the car, if you've seen the movie, the front bumper where that middle bar is, they mount a couple of bumper strobes. I don't know how I'm gonna mount those strobes because I don't know if I want to drill into that bumper piece. I don't know yet. I'm gonna figure that out. I maybe put some high industrial glue or something to hold those strobes on, but I paid a pretty penny all the way from Canada to get that center bar piece, so I don't want to ruin it. But hey, that is what I'm doing today. It's going to be another hot, sweltering day here in South Texas. Again, send rain. Texas is asking the world, send some rain. We need rain. So. But as you can see behind me, doesn't that look pretty? I got the quarter panel sitting up on the car, just kind of sitting there. I'll probably get back on it this weekend after we do our filming. I'm filming this weekend for our television show, South Texas Haunts. And probably Sunday I'll get back on this, but I'm hoping to have the bumper done the next couple days, just so I can get it out of my shop and get some room. So, hope everybody has a fantastic Monday. If you haven't already, make sure to jump onto my TikTok page, check it out. I'm over on the other platforms too, same name. And check out all my other videos. And hey, TikTok, you gave me the playlist feature and then you took it away. It would make it a lot easier for people to see each one of my projects. So if you're listening, TikTok, can you please approve that so I can have playlists? So make sure to heart this video and check out everything else.